Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Scientia where science meets you. Be cool, comfortably watch our videos, and all the best for your upcoming exams. Stay safe and be healthy. Kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its state of motion is called its kinetic energy. It is usually denoted by the symbol K. Example, a fast moving stone has the capacity of breaking a window pane on striking it because it has kinetic energy. Similarly, a car in motion, moving hands of a clock, a bullet fired from a gun, a rolling ball, an apple falling from a height, etc. have kinetic energy. Expressions for kinetic energy K equal to half mv square. The kinetic energy possessed by a moving body is equal to the amount of work which the moving body can do before coming to rest. It can be calculated by finding the amount of work needed to be done by an opposing force to stop the body. Suppose a body of mass m is moving with a velocity v. It is brought to rest by applying a constant opposing force F. Let A be the uniform retardation produced by the opposing force and the body travels a distance s before coming to rest. Then retarding force F is equal to mass into retardation equal to ma. Kinetic energy of the body equal to work done by the retarding force F in displacement s before stopping it. Or kinetic energy K is retarding force F into displacement s. So it is Fs. Now, to calculate the displacement s, we have initial velocity u equal to v, final velocity v equal to 0. So, since a is retardation, we can write it as minus a. From the relation v square equal to u square plus 2as, on substituting, we get 0 equal to v square minus 2as. That is nothing but s equal to v square by 2a. Substituting the values of f and s from equations 1 and 3 in equation 2, we get k is equal to fs ma into v square by 2a, that is half mv square. Kinetic energy is half mass into velocity the whole square. Thus, kinetic energy of a body depends on the square of its velocity of motion. On doubling the velocity of motion of a body, its kinetic energy becomes 4 times. In other words, a faster moving body has more kinetic energy than a slowly moving body of same mass. Relationship between kinetic energy and momentum. Let a body of mass m be moving with velocity v, then its kinetic energy k equal to half mv square. And momentum would be p equal to mv. Substituting the value of v equal to p by m from equation 2, we get k equals half m into p by m the whole square. So p square by 2m. P square would be 2mk. Thus, kinetic energy k and momentum are related as p equal to root of 2mk, or k is p square by 2m. Case 1. In a light body A of mass m and a heavy body B of mass m, both have same momentum p. Then kinetic energy of the light body A will be more than that of the heavy body B. Ka by Kb would be capital M by small m, where capital M is greater than small m and Ka is greater than Kb. Case 2. If a light body A of mass m and a heavy body B of mass m have the same kinetic energy K, then the heavy body B will have more momentum than the light body A. So, Pb by Pa equal to root of 2mk by root of 2mk root of capital M by small m. Here capital M is greater than small m, so Pb is greater than Pa. Work energy theorem. When a force is applied in the direction of motion of a body, it accelerates the motion and thus the kinetic energy of the body. This increase in kinetic energy is equal to the work done by the force on the body. This is called work energy theorem. Thus, according to work energy theorem, the increase in kinetic energy of a moving body is equal to the work done by a force acting in the direction of the moving body. Proof. Let a body of mass m be moving with an initial velocity u. When a constant force F is applied on the body along its direction of motion, it produces an acceleration a and the velocity of the body increases from u to v in moving a distance s. Then, force F is mass into acceleration, that is ma. Work done by the force is force into displacement, or W equal to Fs. From relation v square equal to u square plus 2as, we know s is v square minus u square by 2a. So substituting the values, we get W equal to ma into v square minus u square by 2a. That is half m v square minus u square. So W is half mv square minus half mu square. But initial kinetic energy Ki and final kinetic energy Kf are as shown. Then From equation 2.16, we get W equal to Kf minus Ki. Thus, work done on the body is equal to increase in the kinetic energy. Forms of kinetic energy. A body can have three types of motion, namely translational motion, rotational motion, and vibrational motion. So, kinetic energy is also of three forms: translational kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy, and vibrational kinetic energy. Translational kinetic energy. The motion of a body in a straight line path is called translational motion, and the kinetic energy of the body due to the motion in a straight line is translational kinetic energy. Example, a car moving on a straight path, a freely falling body, and a molecule of monoatomic gas have translational energy. Rotational kinetic energy. If a body rotates about an axis, the motion is called rotational motion, and the kinetic energy of the body due to rotational motion is called as rotational kinetic energy or simply the rotational energy. Examples, a spinning top, a rotating wheel, and a rotating fan have rotational kinetic energy. Earth rotating on its own axis have a huge amount of rotational kinetic energy. The atoms of a moving diatomic or polyatomic molecule rotate about a fixed axis in addition to the translational motion, so they possess both rotational and translational kinetic energy. Vibrational kinetic energy. If a body moves to and fro about its mean position, the motion is called as vibrational motion. The kinetic energy of the body due to its vibrational motion is called vibrational kinetic energy or simply vibrational energy. Example, a wire clamped at both ends when stuck in the middle vibrates. The energy possessed by the wire is vibrational kinetic energy. A steel strip clamped at one end vibrates when the other end is slightly displaced and then released. The steel strip is then said to possess vibrational kinetic energy. In a solid, atoms vibrate about their mean position, so they possess vibrational kinetic energy. In a polyatomic molecule, atoms can vibrate about their mean position, so a polyatomic molecule has the vibrational energy in addition to rotational and translational energies. Distinctions between potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy. It is the energy possessed by a body due to its changed position or changed size and shape. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a body due to its state of motion. It is equal to work done in bringing the body to its changed state. It is equal to the work that a moving body can do before coming to rest. Potential energy can change only in the form of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy can change into any form. Potential energy does not depend on the speed of the body. Kinetic energy depends on the speed of the body. Conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy. Potential energy changes into kinetic energy whenever it is put to use. A hammer at a height has gravitational potential energy, which is equal to the work done in moving the hammer to the height against the force due to gravity on it. Now the hammer is made to fall on a nail, fixed upright on a wooden piece. The nail begins to penetrate. The reason is that as the hammer starts falling, its potential energy begins to change into its kinetic energy. The falling hammer now has both potential and kinetic energy. When it strikes the nail, hammer does work on the nail. The kinetic energy of the hammer changes into the kinetic energy of the nail, due to which the nail moves into the wooden piece. A wound up watch spring has elastic potential energy, which is equal to the work done in bringing it to the wound up state. As the spring unwinds itself, the potential energy stored in it changes into kinetic energy, which does work in changing the hands of the watch and thus into kinetic energy of the hands. When the string of a bow is pulled, some work is done which is stored in the deformed state of the bow in the form of its elastic potential energy. On releasing the string to shoot an arrow, the potential energy of the bow changes into the kinetic energy of the arrow, which makes it move. A compressed spring has elastic potential energy due to its compressed state. When it is released, the potential energy of the spring changes into kinetic energy, which does work on the ball placed on it, and changes into the kinetic energy of the ball, due to which it flies away. Different forms of energy. Nature has provided us in various forms, namely has provided us energy in various forms, namely solar energy, heat or radiant energy, light energy, chemical or fuel energy, hydro energy, electrical energy, nuclear energy, geothermal energy, wind energy, sound energy, magnetic energy, and mechanical energy, etc. These forms of energies are discussed briefly ahead. Solar energy. The energy radiated out by the sun is called solar energy. Solar energy cannot be used directly to perform work because it is too diffuse and it is not always available uniformly. However, a number of devices such as solar panel, solar furnace, solar cell have been invented to make use of solar energy. A solar panel consists of black painted metal surface which absorbs the sun's energy and heat water in its contact. A solar furnace has a large aperture parabolic mirror which focuses the sun rays on a small area so that a high temperature is achieved. Thus, by storing water at the focus of the mirror, water can be boiled to produce steam. Steam can then be used to drive the turbine of an electric generator so as to produce electrical energy. Solar cells are devices used to convert solar energy directly into electrical energy. These cells are made from thin slices of a semiconducting material. However, the efficiency of a solar cell to convert solar energy into electrical energy is very low. Heat energy. The energy released on burning coal, oil, wood, gas is called heat energy. The steam obtained on heating water possesses heat energy and it has the capacity to do work. In a steam engine, heat energy of steam is used to obtain work that is mechanical energy. The sun is also a source of heat energy. Earth receives heat energy directly from the sun. Light energy. It is a form of energy in the presence of which other objects are seen. The natural sources of light energy is sun. Moon reflects the sunlight falling on it and is thus seen at night. Many sources such as fire, burning candle, heated filament of a bulb, etc. also give light energy along with heat energy. Chemical or fuel energy. The energy possessed by the fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas is called chemical energy or fuel energy. These fuels contain chemical energy stored in them. When fuels are burned, chemical energy changes into heat and light energy. The food that we eat also has chemical energy in it. Plants convert solar energy into the chemical energy of food during the process of photosynthesis. A battery has chemical energy stored in it and it provides electrical energy when in use by a chemical reaction which takes place inside it. Hydro energy. The energy possessed by fast-moving water is hydroenergy. This energy is used to generate electricity in hydroelectric power station. For this, water is stored in dams built across the rivers, high up in hills, and water from the dam is allowed to flow down through channels. The kinetic energy of the fast-flowing water drives the turbines of the generators to produce electrical energy. Electrical energy. When two dry bodies are rubbed together, they get charged due to the movement of free electrons from one body to the other. So, they possess electrical energy. In an electrical cell, as a result of a chemical reaction, the movement of ions from one electrode to the other electrode within the cell becomes a source of electrical energy. Nuclear energy. The energy released due to loss in mass during the process of nuclear fission and fusion is called nuclear or atomic energy. In both these processes, the loss in mass gets converted into energy in accordance with Einstein's mass-energy relation, E equal to mc square. This energy is used in nuclear reactors for constructive purposes to produce electrical energy and is used in nuclear bomb for destructive purposes to produce heat and other forms of energy so as to destroy the enemy in a war. Geothermal energy. The energy released in nuclear disintegrations in the interior of Earth gets stored deep inside the Earth and is called geothermal energy. This energy heats up the underground water to produce natural steam. Sometimes this natural steam may burst out from the surface of Earth as hot springs. The electric power companies may drill wells into the Earth to trap the natural steam, which may be used to run the turbines of generators to produce electricity. Wind energy. The energy possessed by the fast-moving air is called wind energy. This energy is used in driving a windmill in rural areas for past many years. Windmills were used to pump out the underground water and to grind grains. Nowadays, giant windmills are being used to drive the turbine of electric generators for producing electricity. Sound energy. Our vibrating body possesses mechanical energy capable of producing sound energy. It is sensed by our ears. When the disturbance produced by a vibrating body in the atmospheric layers reaches our ears and produces vibrations in the ear membrane, sound is heard. Magnetic energy. The energy possessed by a magnet due to which it can attract iron filings is called magnetic energy. An electromagnet has magnetic energy. Mechanical energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its state of rest or of motion is called mechanical energy. It is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. A body at a height, a moving body, a stretched bow, etc. have mechanical energy. Conversion of one form of energy into the other form. In our daily life, we require energy in various forms. Since one form of energy can be converted into other forms, we can obtain energy in the required form from the different forms of energy to us. Here, the figure 2.13 shows examples of conversion of energy from one form to another form. Now, let us consider some more examples of conversion of one form of energy into another form. Mechanical energy to electrical energy. The water stored in the reservoir of a dam has potential energy. When water flows down, its potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases. If the falling water is made to rotate a turbine near the bottom of the dam, the kinetic energy of the water is transferred to the turbine in the form of rotational kinetic energy due to which it rotates. The turbine rotates the armature of the generator connected to it, and thus kinetic energy gets transformed into electrical energy in the generator. Thus an electrical generator or a dynamo converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. You can refer this diagram. Examples of energy conversion. Next, electrical energy to mechanical energy. In an electric motor, when an electric current is passed in a coil, freely suspended or pivoted in a magnetic field, a torque acts on the coil due to which it rotates. The shaft attached to the coil also rotates with it. Thus, the electrical energy in an electric motor changes into mechanical energy. The electric motor is used in many home appliances such as electric fan, washing machine, mixer, grinder, etc. It is also used to run industrial machines. Electrical energy to heat energy. In electrical appliances such as heater, oven, geyser, toaster, etc., electrical energy changes into heat energy when a current passes through the resistance wire or filament. Heat energy to electrical energy. In a thermocouple, when two junctions of two different metals are kept at different temperatures, one junction is kept hot while the other cold. A current flows in the thermocouple. Thus, a thermocouple changes the heat energy supplied at the hot junction into electrical energy. Electrical energy to sound energy. A loudspeaker, when in use, receives electrical energy in the form of electrical signals from the microphone and changes into sound energy. In an electric bell, when an electric current is passed, the electrical energy changes into sound energy. Sound energy to electrical energy. A microphone converts the sound energy into electrical energy in the form of varying electrical signals. Electrical energy to chemical energy. While charging a battery, electrical energy changes into chemical energy of the cell. Chemical energy to electrical energy. When current is drawn from an electric cell, the chemical energy stored in it changes into electrical energy. Chemical energy to light energy. When a candle burns, it gives the light. Similarly, in a kerosene lamp, when the oil soaked in its wick burns, the chemical energy changes into a light energy. Light energy to chemical energy. The light energy from the sun is absorbed by the green plants and then they change it in the form of chemical energy food during the process of photosynthesis. Electrical energy to light energy. When an electric bulb glows on, passing an electric current through it, the electrical energy changes into heat and light energies. Light energy to electrical energy. In a photoelectric cell, light energy gets converted into electrical energy. In a solar cell, Light or solar energy changes into electrical energy. Heat energy to mechanical energy. In a steam engine, the heat energy of steam changes into kinetic energy of piston. Chemical energy to heat energy. When fuel such as wood, coal, biogas, etc. burns, the chemical energy changes into heat energy. In a steam engine, the chemical energy of coal on burning changes into heat energy of steam. In explosion of crackers, the chemical energy changes into heat, light and sound energies. In lighting a candle or matchstick, the chemical energy changes into heat and light energies. In respiration, the chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Chemical energy to mechanical energy. In automobiles, while in motion, the chemical energy of petrol or diesel changes into mechanical energy or kinetic energy. Electrical energy to magnetic energy. While making an electromagnet, an electric current is passed in a coil wound around a soft iron bar which gets magnetized. Thus, electrical energy changes into magnetic energy. Nuclear energy to electrical energy. In a nuclear reactor, energy released in the process of nuclear fission is nuclear energy, which is converted into electrical energy. Mechanical energy to heat energy. When the water falls from a height, the potential energy stored in water at the height changes into kinetic energy of water during the fall. On striking the ground or bottom, a part of the kinetic energy of water changes into heat energy, due to which the temperature of water rises. The moving parts of a machine gets heated due to friction, thus a part of mechanical energy changes into heat energy. Note: whenever mechanical energy changes to other forms, it is always in the form of kinetic energy and not in the form of potential energy. That is, the stored potential energy first changes to kinetic energy and then kinetic energy changes to other forms. Degraded energy. While transforming energy from one form to another desired form, the entire energy does not change into desired form. A part of this energy changes either to some other undesirable form, usually heat due to friction, or a part is lost to the surroundings due to radiation and becomes useless. This conversion of energy to undesirable or non-useful form is called dissipation of energy. Since this part of energy is not available to us for any productive purpose, so we call this part of energy as degraded form of energy. Example: when a bulb is lighted using electrical energy, a major part of it is lost in the form of heat energy. Only a small part converts into useful light energy. When a vehicle is run by using the chemical energy of its fuel, a major part is wasted in the form of heat and sound energy. Only a part of the chemical energy changes into useful mechanical energy. Thank you. This is the end of the chapter. Hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get instant updates of the video that we post.